Are you planning to go to Honduras for work or education, or to achieve your commercial goals? Such an exciting opportunity. Going Honduras can be complicated because there is a process of getting the correct documents verified before you are allowed to go. It is also a crucial process if you want to export your goods or establish a business in Honduras. The Honduras consular legalization is an essential part of the document attestation for Honduras. This process will certify the legality of your certificates and yourself for business or work or stay in Honduras country. It's obvious to get stressed with so many questions, and only professional help can save you from all these complications. But worry no more. Excellent Apostille Services is here to help you.
Excellent Apostille Services provide you with the complete guide of the Honduras Embassy attestation procedure regarding what is the Honduras Embassy attestation, when and why is the Honduras Embassy attestation required, whether you will need attestation or apostille, with or without translation, is your presence required to get the documents verified? What is the Honduras Embassy attestation?
The consular stamp from the Honduras Embassy, or consulate, is a type of legal procedure that will render with the proof of the verification of the document.
When and why is the Honduras Embassy attestation required?
The Honduras consular stamp required for a work visa, student visa, residence visa or business purpose. It shows that you are a genuine person or company who is visiting Honduras or doing business in Honduras with genuine purpose. It proves that your certificate is true, which can be permitted in the country. The Honduras Embassy attestation is a report which expresses a conclusion about the reliability of a specified document.
How long does the attestation process take time for Honduras?
The consular attestation process takes 10 to 15 working days time, and the time period depends upon the type of documents and issued place. Although there are several ways to finish process on a fast track, contact to Excellent Apostille Services, one stop of legalization solutions.
Also, it's important to know what exact documents are required for the process. The Honduras consular stamp can be printed exclusively on original certificates. So, the latter should be in an apparent better position. All signs and stamps have to be readable and clear. Moreover, it must not contain alien labels or marking. Original documents needed which you necessitate attestation. As supporting for the personal or educational documents required civil identity proof copy, such as passport copy or driving license copy, etc. As supporting for business documents, required company covering letter which should favor to the consular embassy of Honduras. Attestation procedure for Honduras. Step 1. Submission to EAS office. Documents submission to EAS is the beginning step of the attestation procedure for Honduras. The Excellent Apostille Services is a private professional and non-government agency that collecting documents from all over India and submitting to the Honduras Embassy for attestation. Step 2. Home Ministry or HRD or COC, the documents attestation based on the signature of the designated signing authorities of the state government. The documents verification is to be done by the Home Department or HRD Ministry or Chamber of Commerce, which depends on the type of documents. The officials are hired only for the document attestation. Step 3. MEA, the Ministry of External Affairs is central government which verify the documents before the attestation from the Honduras Embassy. Step 4. Embassy, the consular of the Honduras Embassy can finally attest the documents. An embassy is a diplomatic mission usually located in another country's capital city or economic capital city, which gives consular services. It is a group of government officials, and their head is ambassador who represents their government in a foreign country.
Since this process involves your original documents, there is always a concern of document security and handling. So, it is beneficial to get certificates attested from experts. Excellent Apostille Services. guarantees the highest reliability and quality and provide end-to-end services of attestation, apostille or translation. Let us explain to you why we are the best for the attestation process. Our pan-India reach will provide you with personalized and quick services, free pickup and delivery service across the India. We have 24/7 customer support, guaranteed safety and security of your valuable documents. All-in-one hassle-free document verification and attestation service is just a phone call away. Once we know the destination you want to travel, we can take care of everything needed after that. And you can spend your valuable time planning your travel and make the best out of it. For many years, our service in this industry and transparency in work makes us the first choice of our customer. Contact today to get the door-to-door services for your complete legalization needs.